Real power of generative AI comes from giving them right prompt with right iteration. Most people write one prompt and use AI tool like Google search and hoping for the best, but top performers use it like a thinking partner. Let me show you how right prompt with right iteration creates a difference. Also, I will share a free prompt guide with you with practical use cases. Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Bansal, founder of Data Science Horizon. Prompt structure is based on the Big Four framework: persona, task, context, and format. Craft powerful prompt by defining these four pillars. Persona means who the AI should be. Task, what it should do. Context, what information to use. And format, how the output should look like. Now imagine yourself as a customer support representative and you are responsible for responding directly to customer inquiries and concern. Now you receive an email from a customer who received damaged goods. Now you open a new Google Doc to help me write prompt Gemini in Docs. Try to write a new prompt to write an email to handle this customer issue. Now in Gemini, I have write this simple prompt. So here is the prompt which I have given to Gemini. Draft an email to reply to a customer who received a damaged headphone and requested expedited shipping in 100 words. So here is a decent response is created by Gemini. This is nice, not bad at all, but we iterated further. Draft an email to reply to a customer who received a damaged headphone and requested expedited shipping with possible solutions. Now, in this response, Gemini created a better response for our prompt and giving us two options to be given to the client, like option 1, immediate replacement with complimentary expedited shipping, and option 2, full refund. But this is where most people stop, but top performers don't. They refine the prompt. Like here, instead of accepting the solution, you ask for better alternative by asking detailed prompt. Here I have taken example from the Google prompt guide. Help me craft an empathetic email response. I am a customer service representative and I need to create a response to a customer complaint. Like here I am defining the persona highlighted in blue color. I am defining the task highlighted in pink color. Then I am adding the context in yellow color. The customer ordered a pair of headphones that arrived damaged. And similarly, we are giving the format here in highlighted in green, like include a paragraph that acknowledge their frustration and 3 bullet points with potential resolution. So here you can see we copy and paste this exact prompt in our Gemini window and see how beautifully crafted professional email is drafted by Gemini, giving three options to us: complimentary expedited replacement, full refund, or a store credit with the bonus. But we don't stop here. We iterate it again and asking Gemini to suggest 10 alternative options in place of expedited shipping to resolve the customer frustration about receiving the damaged product. And here the 10 options are provided by our AI tool. These are the options provided based on different domains, like in financial incentives, product upgrade, convenience and speed alternatives, or exclusive perks and membership. So according to whatever in your hand as a customer executive, you can give 3, 4 or 4, 5 options to your client to resolve their frustration and handle them beautifully like a true professional. Like I have taken this example from Quick Start Handbook for Effective Prompts by Google. This prompting guide is freely available. Let me take it you through it. This prompting guide, the link of this prompting guide I have added in the description box, and this prompting guide is suitable for anyone for the working professionals in different role. Like you can write effective prompts if you are a data scientist, software engineer, administrative support, communication, customer service, executive, frontline management, human resources, marketing, project management, sales, small business owners, startup leaders, anything. Anyone can take help of this prompting guide, and it is not only for Gemini. This prompting guide is for all AI tools. You can use this prompting guide as a pillar for writing effective prompts either in ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Notebook LM, any AI tool you can use this prompting guide. So what are the learning for us from this video? So better prompts always gives us better prompts. So start learning to write your prompts in four pillar format that will always give you better output than just writing in the plain English language. And just don't stop at the one prompt, always keep on iterating so that you can reach up to the top notch level of your professional output, and it will give you high quality results. And third one is use generative AI as your thinking partner, not just as tool. And you can use this prompting guide to every AI tool like Claude, Gemini, uh, Chat GPT, etc. You can use for everywhere and see how your results will become better. Try whatever role you are. Try this prompting guide and try to write prompts as per your problems and iterate and share your experience and results with me in the comment section. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you want to learn real world workflows like this, subscribe to my channel Data Science Horizon. Keep learning and keep implementing. Have a nice day.